Hello everyone! This is the ExamClouds channel and my name is Tatiana. In this video, we will explore the different editions of the Java language together. There are three main editions of the language in total. So, the first edition is Java SE, which stands for Java Platform Standard Edition. This is the core version designed for creating a wide variety of applications, from console-based to graphical ones with an interface. Prior to version 6, it was commonly known as Java 2 SE. This is precisely the version we will be focusing on throughout this course. The second version is Java EE, the Java Platform Enterprise Edition. This edition is intended for developing large-scale, distributed enterprise applications. It includes powerful technologies such as EJB, JPA, Servlet, JMS, and others, enabling efficient development and management of large applications. Before Java version 6, it was known as the Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. And the third edition of Java is Java ME, Java Platform Micro Edition. This is a specialized edition focused on creating applications for microcomputers. It provides capabilities for development on mobile devices and other resource-constrained devices with limited resources. Prior to Java version 6, it was known as Java 2 ME, Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.